Hey everybody, you've all been asking for courses. Ask and you shall receive thanks to YouTube's new feature courses. So I've taken the masterclass challenge that I've been posting all this year and I put these into courses. So let's go ahead and take a look at where you can find those and what they look like. We're going to start by navigating to my homepage. You can navigate to the homepage by clicking below the video that you're watching and it says Tarl Speech. You just click on that and it takes you to this page. So from here, you can see all of the videos, the latest. You can also sort by most popular and oldest. You can look at all of the shorts, my previous live lessons, and the podcasts that I have posted. You can listen to these from the YouTube Music app. And then next is courses. So if you click on View Full Course, you can see this is the consonant cluster course. And it gives you all of the consonant clusters and the courses to learn how to pronounce those. Click on resume and it will start taking you through all of the courses on a loop. And then you can see here, it'll just keep going to the next and the next and the next. So then if you want to see all of them, I have one on long vowel sounds, short vowel sounds, nasals, glides, and liquids, continuance, stops, and affricates. If you are interested, I do have books available for all of these as well. And the books have basically all of the video content, but they also include PDF files. So a lot of you have been asking about that. And the books also have audio that you can click on. The videos are only available on the iTunes store. If you are looking for the video, again, you must get those. Those are available on iTunes. I do have audio guides with the PDFs that are available on Google Play, and teachers pay teachers if you are interested in those. I've also gone through for you and made courses for all of the individual sounds as well. And I do love this feature that it'll then recommend what to watch next. Just to finish this out, these are similar to playlists. But what I like about the courses is that you can be really specific in going through, and I was able to give you a little clearer description of what you will be working on. And always check out my posts here. I post a lot of things that are new and that are happening like every video each week. And then you can check out the store. I'm starting to put in some game recommendations and book recommendations that you can check out for the holidays. And stay tuned. Last year, I did a video on games for fun and learning. You all loved it. So I'm going to bring that back for the holiday season. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much, everyone, and enjoy the courses.